Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I did this look for you guys. This is my first look of 2019. I'm so excited. It's a Valentine's Day look. Now if you guys are not into just wearing the whole pink and the cranberry and all that kind of stuff, and you just want to stick with purple because it matches your outfit or it's just your vibe, purple is a very romantic color as well, so you will do well with using this and incorporating this into your Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys enjoy. It's very nice, simple, soft, great for a night out or a dinner out. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned if you'd like to see how I get this look. So I'm gonna do this right now. I apologize for my voice. I'm still sick. I'm still drinking my ginger tea. And then there's a little twist at the end, so make sure you guys go ahead and stick around for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the first color, which is from the Urban Decay one. This color right here, it's called Riff. It's a nice brown transition color. So I'm just getting that all over my lids. It's a really gorgeous transition color and crease color. So just like that. I honestly don't know what me and John have planned for Valentine's Day. We don't really do anything crazy, so I'm gonna be as surprised as you guys will be. So I'm gonna go into the Huda palette right now. I'm gonna go into this color right here. It's a very light purpley color with a big brush. And everywhere that I put that initial color, I'm gonna put this color. So I'm just gonna put this right into the crease area, just slightly below where I put the other one, and just really build up my eye. I was using that one before, and I'm gonna go into this one and then put that a little bit below that other color. So we're just kind of going down in color basically. And with the smaller brush, I'm gonna go into this color right here, just a little bit darker. It has a little bit of sparkle in it, not really sparkle, but a little bit of a sheen to it. So I'm gonna keep this right towards the ending area and just into the end and the crease, just right here. I'm gonna circle that around, make sure it is nice, and then slowly start bringing it into the crease. So circle it around right here and slowly bring it in. Into eyeliner, and I'm just gonna do black. I believe I had just done black before. For blush, what I'm gonna use is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Cheek and Lip Tint. This is in the color Flirt in the Streets. It's a gorgeous peachy blush that I really love. I'm just gonna get that right on my cheekbones. I love how this looks. It just makes the whole look just nice and dewy and glowy. And that's how I want it to be. When I'm doing a purple eye like this, I like to go with something that complements it well. And I think Taj Mahal from NARS complements it very well. It's a gorgeous orangey color. It pulls out the purple and it makes it look really nice and, I don't know, cohesive. So I'm lightly gonna tap that right on top of my cheeks, very lightly. And the bronzer that I'm going to use is from the Morphe 8H palette, and it's in the shade Donut, which is just this one right here. And I'm just going to get that lightly onto my face. down the nose. What I do want to do is go into my concealer brush and lightly clean up the ends of my eye look. Alright, now we're going to pop on these lashes. I'm just going to grab my big mirror like this. And I'm going to use this highlighter from Too Faced. This is Fancy Pink Diamond. What a pretty pink. I like that. That's so nice. And then lightly, I'm just going to put that same highlighter just right under the brow bone. It's such a gorgeous pink highlight. It's like the perfect underbrow highlight. I'm gonna go into this color that I recently found again. It's MAC Stone. It's like a gorgeous like taupe color that I really like. This is Stepping Out from Smashbox. So this is the look if you want it matte. If you want it glossy, which I think is really nice and flirty, you can definitely go in with the Buxom White Russian. I love this one. So pretty. Right on top. Yeah. Give it that gorgeous, juicy pop. Now if you want to jazz it up a little bit and make it a little bit more golden, go in with some Fenty. Oh my god, this is going to really amplify that look. Put a little bit of gold right there. Ooh, yes, girl. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in another one. Oh hey guys, so I wanted to turn this beautiful makeup into something a little bit gory because that's just my style. So I made this little prosthetic. It's nothing crazy. It took 2 seconds to make it. What I am going to do is I'm going to grab some Ben Nye Matte Spirit Gum. This is just kind of like an adhesive. It'll adhere everything like this onto my face. And then I'm just going to put some liquid latex right around it. And then apply a little bit of tissue. I'm gonna grab some regular tissue and I'm just gonna separate it one time. And then we're gonna go ahead and add that onto the little scars around the area. So, alright, so Spirit Gum is basically like glue that you can use on your skin and stuff like that. That's safe. I'm just gonna apply that right to the back of the paper towel. Alright, so now that I did that, I'm just gonna apply this to my face, making sure that I don't get it onto my eyes. To do this, I may have to just do this a little bit. Really pushing it into these areas. So now what I'm gonna do is grab some liquid latex, and I wanna put this around the edges. We're gonna grab that tissue that we placed down, and we're just gonna put this literally right on top and press it down on there. I'm gonna rip this off like that and like that, and I'm gonna rip it from the center. This looks so cool already. I'm so excited. Alright, so now I'm going to do a little bit of foundation right on top. And then I'm going to grab a bobby pin and start like poking some holes, making some cracks, and kind of distorting this a bit. So now what I'm gonna do is go into my palette and just grab this dark brown color right here. And I'm just gonna get that on a little fluffy brush, and I'm gonna put that brown right inside of my eye, like right in here underneath. And then we're gonna fill that up in a little bit with some red. I'm also gonna go into this purple color. This color is so good. This is such a good purple. It's like a real bruised up purple. It's a good one. I'm also gonna get that. This is a bloody scab, also from the Halloween store. Grab a little bit more of this and just kind of put it all over. Love it. So this is the finished look. You can also totally put some blood dripping down, which I think I am gonna do. I'm just gonna grab some of this blood and I'm just going to have it drip down a little bit. There we go. So this is the finished look. If you guys want to have like a fun like anti-Valentine's Day / Halloween party, this is a great look. I personally love that. If I was single, I would round up all my single friends and we would do like crazy makeup and just be walking the streets of the city, or I don't know, something like that. I'm fun like that, but I think this is so cool, and I hope you guys enjoy. Happy Valentine's Day.